Today was perfect. I got to celebrate another year of life, and for me, it's about the simple pleasures of life. The older I get, the more I appreciate the little things that bring me so much joy. And today, after I spent time celebrating with my husband, I decided to come to the park to enjoy the sunshine I prayed for, and just to get in a walk to feel the brisk air on my face. And I walked over to the bench with my journal to do some writing and reflection. And when I looked down, there was a dime on the seat. And for those who know me, they know that my grandmother, who raised me, passed away in 2018, and periodically she leaves me dimes. There was a dime on the bench. And so today ended perfectly for me. As I leave the park to head back home, my heart is overjoyed. Thanks for being on this journey with me. Thanks for all the birthday wishes and blessings. And thank you for being who you are. May God continue to bless every part of your being. Be well.